Walmart isn't exactly known for fitting petites. I'm 5'2". After trying on a whole bunch, these are the most flattering pieces, and this is not sponsored by them. I'm linking everything here on YouTube Shopping so you don't have to leave the video while you shop or scan the QR code to go to my blog post. Starting with a free assembly cardigan, I was wowed. This looks Nordstrom, not Walmart. Booklet fabrics, nice and thick, a little fuzzy, and got nice texture. In person looks very expensive. Plus the gold buttons. The whole piece looks very Chanel vibe. This is something you can get a whole lot of wear throughout the year. Where I live right now, it's cold outside. This is a layering piece I need inside, but for the spring, I'm gonna continue to wear this. Feels nice and soft against the skin. You can wear it as a top or as a layering piece. Pairing it with my $50 Quince jeans and Amazon Essentials flats. These are surprisingly comfortable. I got them in multiple colors you're gonna see later in this video. Wearing my typical size, extra small feels true to size. My chest is 34B, by the way. No boundaries, puppy sweater. I have a soft spot in my heart for puppies because I have one. We got one this year. Long story short, I'm gonna bring him on the channel maybe one day. Leave me a comment below if you want me to do that. But this is such a cute sweater, I had to immediately jump on it. Plus, it's selling out super quick. If you like it, get it right now. Lens is on my hips, so I'm tucking it to elongate my legs. It's not too thick, so when you tuck, it does not create bulge on the tummy. I'm wearing a Quince cotton t-shirt, organic cotton underneath. Have you noticed this is really on trend to wear a white tee under anything? It's really very affordable, like $20, but it gives you a subtle layering effect. Jeans are from Levi's, high-waisted rib cage, ankle jeans, 27-inch inseam, and pairing it with my pointed toe boots to make me look taller. Small Quince trapeze bag. This size holds everything I need, but it doesn't overwhelm a short person. No boundaries, cropped puffer. I was very hesitant to order a jacket from Walmart because I only used to shop at petite size brands, but this jacket fits me so well. It's totally unexpected. The length is most flattering for petite girls. This is a crop length, but it's not too short. It's long enough to keep me warm. And the hemline is adjustable. You can make it looser or tighter. The fabrics is what I love. The moment you get it, it feels like cotton. Even though I know this is a polyester blend, that texture of cotton makes it look way more expensive in person. I do want to say, puffer coats can expand you horizontally, so you gotta be careful with your underlayer. I'm going with the most slimming, all black underlayer. The top is a Quince cashmere piece, and the bottom is a bootcut pants, also from Quince, but very affordable, 40-something bucks or even lower than that. This combo always makes sure you look slimmer and taller in any layering outfit. Free Assembly red sweater. If you're looking for a holiday sweater you don't want to spend too much money on because you're only gonna wear it for a month or two, this is the best option. I love this neckline. It's a V-neck in the front. In the back, it looks like a sailor color. And the fabrics is nice and soft, cable knit. This is a relaxed fit. To style a red holiday sweater, my favorite is to go with red accessories. So I'm going with my Amazon Essentials flats. You see, my top and my shoes are reflecting each other. This is also called the sandwich method. I teach this, by the way, in depth in my Petite Style Masterclass. Sign up below for my newsletter to learn more. Also added a red purse. This is also from Amazon. Very affordable, but it looks really cohesive and more expensive. No boundaries, cable knit top. That's this top I'm wearing. One of my favorites from this entire bunch. If you go to Walmart website, you're probably gonna think this is just a lounge piece because it comes with lounge pants, which is 29-inch inseam. That's the reason I did not order it. But hey, you definitely can wear it as a regular sweater like I am. If you're wearing it at home, I'm pairing it with my Zilla sweatpants. These are from Nordstrom, 27-inch inseam. Nice and buttery soft fabrics. It has no cuffing that makes them look more polished. To wear outside of the house, you can do denim like this or go with cropped pants. These are my long gray ankle pants. I just bought it from Loft, 24-inch inseam, a true ankle length, which is really hard to find for petites like myself. So comfortable with stretchy elastic waistband, and when you sit down, it feels like it's hugging you the right places. And this is such a versatile outfit. You can wear to do a coffee run, walk your dogs, or wear to the airports, go on a road trip because it's just so cozy and comfy. Faux fur jacket, Sophia by Sofia Vergara. Another cozy piece. I have a lot of faux fur jackets, but I love this color. Most of my other faux fur jackets are black. This is a taupe color. The fit is spot on. Shoulders are aligned with my natural shoulders. Sleeves are not excessively long. They're a tad longer than what I prefer, but quite honestly, most petite size jackets fit me like this as well because my arms are shorter. Length is very flattering for shorter girls. Underneath, I'm wearing a similar color cashmere piece from Quince. This pairing give you a subtle dimension, make your outfits look more expensive. Kick flare jeans from Spanx. This is a petite length, about 28.5-inch inseam. So leg elongating and make your buttocks look really nice and perky and rounded. Demolier London bag, I've had it forever. I did find it really nice looking dupe for you. A lot of you really like the dupe from JW Pay. I'm linking it down below for you as well. Free or simply round neck sweater. This might seem like the most ordinary and basic round neck sweater, but I'm gonna show you how to make it look more stylish. You can wear it as is. This is just one of those cozy and fuzzy pieces. You can always wear this as a top, but what I like to do is to wear it as a layering piece. Underneath, I got an Oxford shirt from Quince. Organic cotton feels really comfortable against your skin. Now you're showing the colors and the edges of your shirt. You see how it immediately transformed a very basic sweater into a really chic layering piece. Pairing it with my black leggings and tall boots from Loft. These boots are very affordable. They're faux leather, and right now they have 50% off. So if you like, especially this color is selling out really quick, go get it now. Very easy to walk in, and it goes with pretty much any of your bottoms. Free or simply Maxi denim skirt. I would have never expected to find a Maxi skirt at Walmart that would fit me. Normally models are 5'7" and above. If it's a Maxi for them, on me, that just would not work. But look at this. This is exactly the length I want it to be, right at my ankles. If you're petite and you're staying away from maxi length, you need to try it. You're gonna be surprised how flattering this length actually is. For the holidays, I like to pair it with my Charter Club cashmere sweater from Macy's. Their in-house brand, the price is very reasonable, especially this time of the year. I always wait till the holiday season to get the Black Friday special or the holiday special. Right now, it's priced between $49, sometimes $59. It varies, but it's such a good value. It comes in so many different colors and also in petite size and regular size. You just can't go wrong with it. Christmas sweater from holiday time. I just cannot have enough of Christmas sweaters because when I take a break during holidays, this is the kind of sweaters I am gonna reach out for the most, more than any other fancy or dressy pieces. When I visit somebody's house, especially my family or my good friends, or when they visit me, I want to look cozy. I don't want to look too dressy, but I do want to look festive. That's why this kind of sweater is what I always will be living in throughout the entire holiday season. Fabrics is nice and soft and feels warm, and the length is regular, so I'm always tucking it in to make me look taller. Time and True mock neck top. Last but not the least, I got this top in two different colors because I love it so much. It's a cotton blend, so comfortable against your skin. This is gonna be an essential piece that you are gonna always need. If you live in a colder place like me, I always need a higher neckline. I always want the neckline to be a little higher, mock neck or turtleneck. This one is perfect because it blocks wind and just much easier to wear under any of my layering pieces. Fabrics are lightweight, feels like tissue kind of thickness. I'm pairing it with my Loft faux fur jacket. Wow, congratulations. I am so glad you finished the entire video, so now you know the most flattering pieces at Walmart for short women. On my channel, it's all about petites. Everything I do is about petite try-on hauls, how to style a petite girl, how to look taller, how to look the best for your body shape. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure you sign up for my newsletter below so that you can receive free styling tips from me straight to your inbox. And I will see you in the next video.